Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be covering how to post a video on Instagram. Let's jump right in. To begin, we need to be on our profile page. In the top right hand side of the screen are two buttons, a plus sign and three horizontal lines, or also called the hamburger menu icon. When we click on the plus sign, a list of 5 things come up: post, story, story highlight, IGTV video, and reel. To post a video, we'll need to click on the post option. When we click the post button, it brings us to this page. The top half shows what media you have selected for the post, and the bottom half shows your camera roll. For this post, we want to go forward with this video. On the left side of the screen are arrows that you can choose to adjust the aspect ratio of the video. Since this video was framed in landscape mode, we want all of it to be shown. After you decide what video you want to post, click the next button on the top right hand side of the screen. When you get to this page, you have 3 editing techniques that come up on the bottom of the screen: filter, trim, and cover. When you first get to the screen, the filter option is usually pre-selected. So here you can see that all of the filter choices come up. So Clarendon, Gingham, Moon, Lark, Rays, and many more. There's at least 20 filters to choose from. Once you have your desired filter, you can go to the trim option. And then here you choose what parts of your video you want to cut, or if you just want to make your video shorter. To trim, you need to click on the smaller vertical line on the left and right hand side and drag it where you want your video to begin. So right here you can drag this to be from the middle or like a 4th cut off, or either of your choosing. And then if you want to cut from the back end of the video, you can choose the small vertical line on the right hand side and then adjust it as you're choosing. The portion that is between the 2 small vertical lines is the part that will be saved. The darkened parts won't be saved and will not be shown when you post your video. After you trim your video, you can choose what cover your video has by clicking on the cover option. What the cover does is, for example, someone comes to your page. They scroll and see an overview of your pictures and videos on your page. Since videos don't play unless you select them, the cover they have will be used to reference them in your page. So for the cover of this video, we'll go forward with this cover. After you choose your cover and are satisfied with the filter and trimming of your video, you can then click next in the top right hand side of the screen. Once you get to the screen, you can see that we can write a caption, tag people, add a location, post this video to other accounts or to other social media mediums. I've included an explanation of all these options in my previous video, how to make a post on Instagram, so definitely check it out. It's linked in the description below. So for this video, we can add a caption. So we can say, driving through Boston during the holidays. And then we can also include an emoji. Once you have your caption, you can tag the people who you want to tag in this video. You can additionally add the location of your video as well. But captions, tagging people, adding locations are all completely optional. So you can do it if you want, but you don't need to do it. You can then toggle these buttons on the right hand side to post your video to other Instagram accounts. You can additionally toggle these buttons if you want to post this video to other social media. Now we can post our video. To post, we will click on the share button on the right hand side of the screen. So there we go. We have it shared, and it'll show up on your feed like this. If you click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand side of your screen, you can see that it shows up on our page. The cover we selected for this video is the image that is representing this post. I hope this video was able to help you guys to post videos on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video and would also like to watch more related content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please leave any comments, suggestions, or feedback in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.